Hey there, tech persons. Today we are diving into one of the most popular programming language in the world, Python. Let's explore why Python has taken the tech world by storm. What is Python? Python is an open source programming language having features like object oriented, interpreted, and high level. Python has its simplicity and readability. First of all, simplicity. Python is known for its clean and easy to read syntax. Unlike other programming languages that can look up like a jumble of symbols and words, Python code often reads like plain English. While coming to its versatility, Python's versatility is another reason for its popularity. Whether you are building a website, analyzing data, creating artificial intelligence, or even programming a robot, Python has the tools and libraries to get the job done. And it has large community and support. When you choose Python, you are not alone. There is a massive community of the developers who contribute to the language, create libraries, and help each other out. This means tons of resources, tutorials, and community support. And Python has extensive libraries and frameworks. Python extensive libraries and frameworks saves you time and effort. Libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data analysis, TensorFlow for AI, Django for web development, and this list goes on, baby. And Python is very beginner friendly. Python is often the first language taught in schools and coding bootcamp because it's beginner friendly. Its straightforward syntax and readability help new programmers learn the basics without getting overwhelmed. While coming to the job market, Python is high in demand in job market. And let's not forget about job opportunities. Python skills are highly sought out in the job market. Companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA uses Python, so learn it and open doors to excite new career opportunities. Then, for its conclusion, so whether you are a beginner looking to start your coding journey or an experienced Python developer exploring into the new fields, Python is a fantastic choice.